Hi, welcome to the daily analysis with volume profile, price action and action theory of different instruments. Today is January 23rd and let's start with Dow Jones. Well, let's see, after touching this bottom, the price has rebounded and there were different targets. The first one, the upper target, the most important was this final of VWAP. The price continued rising and now we have several targets. The main target, the upper target, would be the final of VWAP, of weekly VWAP last week. So 33,615 is the first target. The second target would be this final of weekly VWAP 2 weeks ago, and it's on 34 and 26. Lower targets. First one, this final of weekly VWAP 33,326, and below this point we have this weekly VPOC about 33,253, and the last target would be this naked weekly VPOC. It's also a daily naked VPOC. It's on 3,372. S&P, after touching this target, now the situation is that we have two very clear targets. The upper one would be this naked weekly VPOC on 4,013, and the lower it's on the final of the VWAP. That is exactly where there was another weekly VWAP. It's on 3,965. If continues dropping the price, next target would be 3,945, and the last one would be this zone about 3,924. Nasdaq, we had this possible target. It was a weekly VPOC. Now it has touched this point. And what are the targets? The upper target would be the maximum level of last week, about 11,757, and the lower target is this rectangle between 11,625 to the weekly naked VPOC, about 11,600. Next one would be this final of VWAP, about 11,527. The upper targets, if it breaks the maximum, there is a possible target that would be the projection of this. If it's only a pullback, the projection would be about 12,030. Okay, well, next one, light oil. We have two great targets. The upper target would be this high volume node and naked daily VPOC 82.28. If it breaks over this price, above this price, the projection of all of this pullback would be about 85.22. That is exactly where there is a high volume node, about, as I said, 85.20 approx. Lower targets. First one, we have the value area high of last week, about 81.38, the minimum of today, 81.20, and the most clear, perhaps, this final of VWAP that is exactly on the naked weekly VPOC of last week, 80 and 58. Next one, this high volume node, 80.23, and then the value area low of last week, about 79.12. Gold. Possible targets. The first one, if it's only a pullback, the projection, if the price breaks this max price, our first target at 1,938 could go to 1,952. Lower targets could be this final VWAP, about 1,917, and the last one, lower targets would be this naked daily and weekly VPOCs, about 1,910 or 11. Okay. Last one. Let's refresh the data. DAX. We have this possible target, the weekly VPOC. It has been touched early in the morning in the opening of Europe markets, and it's our first upper target. It's about 15,178. Next one will be this high volume node, 15,234. What are the targets below? First one, this naked daily VPOC, this high volume node, about 15,048. And the last one, a big target, would be the final of VWAP, of weekly VWAP, 14,979. You can see that it has been a great support in the downtrend. It rebounded at this point, and now perhaps will attack it again if the price goes down. Well, that's all. As every day I say, it's not a recommendation, it's only for educational purpose. Good luck and see you tomorrow. Bye.